how to turn on Bluetooth on the LG Smart TV. So there are a few different ways. So depending on what you want to connect, I'll show you first for speakers and headphones. We will click on the settings button on the remote control. Then here we will click on settings again, which is, that button. And once we have the settings loaded here, we will go into sound, and then we'll click on sound out like this, and it's going to show us use wireless speaker. So we just want to select this, and we can select Bluetooth device, and here we can see a list of all of the devices which are in range, and we can select from this list what we want to connect. And there's also one more way of how you can do this. And if we want to use, for example, a controller or something like that, we'll go into general here, and then from general we will go into external devices, and then here you will see connect Bluetooth controller, and you can again search for this specific device and select it from this list. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.